Guys, so Bina is Spotlight Baker of the Week. If you see her work, right, the way she has started her journey and she's really putting her heart and soul in making each and every cake, right? So you will see that journey and you are going to get inspired by her efforts a lot, right? So we have Bina over here. So heartiest congratulations, right? Really, really amazing job that you have done at this point of time. My team was super happy. So over to you. What do you
Thank
have
you.
to say about this?
Thank you so much, ma'am, and giving me this opportunity. I was really waiting for it. And really thank you. Thank the entire team. The community is also really very helpful in every smallest to smallest query that is there, no matter of anyone. But there's always somebody to help, and always there is a, even if like I don't have a query, but listening to somebody else's query, I get an idea from them. So it's really really very helpful. It's really good.
Super
It's really
amazing.
nice.
So, how many orders did you take?
I actually joined in the month of August, and September was my, I could say, my lucky month because I had back to back 12 orders in the
Wow.
month of September. And October was again, it's gone down. So I just had that one order, that fruit cake. And the one whom I gave the fruit cake to, she has ordered another one for this month on 7th. So I'm working on that one.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. So soon I see you coming and talking to me one on one in Hall of Fame as well because you are slowly inching toward that. Super happy for you, Bina. Great, great work.
I'm really looking
So,
forward to that as well. I was super excited to just talk to you today one on one after so long. I was like, just that was more important to me today.
lovely. We will talk again very, very soon.
Sure,
And
sure, sure, ma'am.
all the
Sure,
best.
ma'am.
So, what is that one thing that you have learned by being a part of community for just a few months? And what is that one thing that you would, what is that one message that you would like to give to your fellow bakers?
From this community, being a part of this community, I learned a lot. Like, how is it to be together, encourage other people, also help them in their difficulties, in their queries. I did join another baking course earlier before yours, but it was not as helpful as what yours is. So I really learned a lot from this academy of yours. And since you have spoken on tools for today, I'll just show you. I had started off with this. This was my knife, and today it is this. Okay,
Wow.
and I really learned how to cut the slices of the cake, and I used to not get it with this one, but with this I really get those thin layers. And this was my spatula, and now it is this. Same with the turntable. I started off 2 years back. I started with the plastic turntable. Today it's almost broken. The day I joined your academy, I brought a new one. I went specially for that, and thankfully my daughter is a big support to me. So every time it is like, you take this. I'm telling you, you take this. This is the best. So she's really helped me also through my baking journey till where I have reached till today.
Lovely, super amazing. And you know what? You are setting such a great example for her. And of course, she's there to support you. So I can see that
Definitely.
amazing entrepreneur Jodi in your house. But really amazing, like a simple change in the tool and you get massive
Yes.
results. So thank you
Yes.
so much for sharing that. Our new members would really appreciate that particular feedback.
It's like the right platform with the right trainer and the right equipments. You're there. You are really there. Exactly.
Lovely. So thank you so much, Bina. Wish you all the best. Hope that coming few months, you are just telling me that this month 24 orders, next month 36 order, and orders should just keep on growing. So again, thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Lots of love
Thank
from
you.
me and from the entire academy. And looking forward to your work.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for all the support and all the support from the entire team and the group and the community. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Lovely.